Home vocabularies in English. Welcome to Improve Your English. Let's get started. House. House. The different rooms in the house. Room. Bedroom. Living room. Dining room. Repeat after me. Kitchen. Bathroom. Toilet. Garage. Let's take some actions in these rooms. Number 1, room. My name is Emma. Here is my room. I am in my room. My room is big. My room is new. My room is nice. I am sitting on the sofa. The sofa is nice. Where are you, Nick? Are you in your bedroom? Is your bedroom nice? Is your bedroom big? Are you still in the bed? Number 2, bedroom. Hello, I am Nick. This is my bedroom. Here is where I sleep. I don't make breakfast here. I don't cook lunch here. I don't make dinner here. I don't take shower here. I don't park my car here. Here is my private room. Where are you, Sarah? Are you in the kitchen? Are you making breakfast? Are you cooking lunch? Are you making dinner? Tell me where you are. Tell me what you do. Number 3, kitchen. Hi, I am Sarah. Here is where I prepare food. I am inside the kitchen. Here is my favorite room in the house. But I can't sleep here. I prepare meals here. At 8 o'clock in the morning, I make breakfast for the family. At 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I cook lunch for me and my mom. Around 10 o'clock in the evening, I make dinner for all the family. I like the kitchen. Emily is our guest today. Where should we invite her? In the living room or the garage? Nick is sleeping in his bedroom. I am cooking in the kitchen. Number 4, living room. Emily, sit on this chair. He is our guest. Welcome, Emily. Here is the living room. Make yourself at home. Can I get you some drinks? Yes, please. Where is Nick? He is sleeping in his bedroom. And what is Sarah doing? She is in the kitchen. She is making breakfast. Tell me what you need. I need a scrambled eggs. She will prepare it for you. It is hot. I need to take bath. Okay, let me show you the bathroom. Number 5, bathroom. Bathroom items. This is the bathtub. This is the mirror. This is the towel. This is the faucet. This is the toilet. We don't eat anything here. We don't park the car here. Let's go to the garage. Number 6, garage. Car parking. Here is the garage. We park the car here. Our car is new and nice. Thanks. English Evolution Step 1. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friend.